drink straight to my head. I went outside to smoke a cigarette, and I shattered my phone on the cement. But I don't give a fuck.
Are you guys ready?
Ibuprofen.
Why are you so needy?
I'm ready for camping. I'm not ready for collab.
For what? The camera in your face or her complaining about everything?
Really? She said, you guys have to be nicer to me because I'm sensitive.
Hey, don't touch it. She touched it, Abby.
I am very sensitive. Did you just kiss something? No.
Yes, you did. You touched it with your mouth.
I did not touch it with my mouth.
You can't put your mouth on everything.
Put my mouth on anything I want to put my mouth on. I ate a peach today.
That's called rape.
Pussy.
Ew, what? That's not what peach eye tastes like.
How do you know?
Because I've had a peach before.
Oh, how do you?
I don't know if you know this, but when people touch your pee-pee parts with their mouth, you devil. Good thing we have me and Abby, otherwise there would be no fire. Good job.
I let mine catch on fire and then immediately blow them out because I like them a little bit black, but not all the way.
Oh, figures you don't like them all the way black.
I can
For
see
roasting.
the chemicals coming off of it. Yeah, I straight into my food.
Roast those wieners. Kendra, what you doing?
Some of them suck. There's some of them suck, and that's a fact you'll have to deal with.
Well, if they suck, that is always a plus.
Oh my god.
Hey, I'm gonna pretend like you're Kanye, and okay. Did anybody hear that? This is the worst idea I've ever had, bro. Okay. Good luck to you, Amanda. Yeah, bro.
Where's it go?
Okay, I only spilled the drink a little bit, but I think I did the trick. So when I first got on this, I heard someone at that campsite go, I bet you can't do an ollie. And I ignored it because number one, I don't know what that is, and number two, I obviously cannot do it. Abby?
What? Don't point into my leg.
Yeah, my balance is pretty fucking good right now. I don't know what's up. Doesn't mean I can skateboard. Okay, I lied and I spilled more. Whose idea was it to bring the goddamn skateboards? Good shit. Watch out, Kendra. Really, Kendra. Wait, how do I stop? Why was it funny? Nothing of that was funny. Is that a bug on me? Oh, that's a spider web right there on my leg.
Yeah, I saw if I didn't want to say anything.
You're a bitch, so.
I didn't want you to freak out.
What is this, day 2?
Day 2.
I have an unknown cut on my finger. I don't know where my glasses are. I don't know where my shoes are. I don't know where Kendra is. Alright. And let's move. What a nightmare that what's-her-face left this open and that some spiders got in. Anyone seen my shoes? Or my glasses? Alright. Well, let's get this party started. Found the shoes. Okay. So I guess fuck my glasses, right? I didn't need to see or anything. There's none in there.
No. What are you looking for? Mummies?
Loser! She fell for it. Fucking loser.
I can't chug.
What's wrong
You're
with
gonna
you?
have to sit here and watch me sip it.
What's wrong with her? Yeah, Kendra's like angry. Kendra, as soon as you said that, I looked up at Kendra and she's like, seriously?
Why? What is wrong with you? I can't do it. My body won't let me. Don't be a bitch.
Look, she's like water falling over her. If you don't chug it, I will, pussy.
It's not icing. This is just called sipping.
You wanna watch? Trade. Oh my god. I would have blamed you if that fell, you know that, right?
How do you just let it, just drink it like that? Fuck you, Abby.
I saw I came, I conquered, or should I say I saw I conquered, I came.
Please no.
Because I can see it.
Please no.
Don't be a P word. It's either a dildo or a drink. Amanda. It's right there.
Baby, 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 I'm a fireball.
Look at her sip it.
Wow, I didn't know we were just gonna sit here and watch Amanda sip.
Kendra's not having it either. Yeah, bitch, you wanna watch me chug it too?
Alcoholic.
You drink more than I do, you fucking dick.
And I'm already as far as you are.
Wow. Yeah, suck, you suck. Look at Abby go. And Amanda not.
How are you not throwing up?
So you go.
My only motto in life is don't lose.
See?
What makes you